We are the Awaken family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello sa lahat! So, andito kami ngayon sa Wildboar Hill.
Or Mountain Guru Cafe. Madadaanan nyo ito if you're passing through 955 route, and sobrang lapit lang nito sa Cebu Pacific Flight 387 Shrine.
Yeah.
So, andito pala kami ngayon to share some van life updates.
Are you excited, guys? Let's go!
First van life update is yung sa kitchen namin. So for your reference, before, ganito yung itsura niya. Ngayon, since na-laminate na namin, there's a difference sa texture at saka sa itsura. So as you can see, mas maganda na siya. And most of all, mas easy siyang linisin. So nilaminate namin siya from here, dito sa loob, at saka until dito. Kasi
Yeah.
dito kami usually nagluluto eh.
Lahat
And
ng
then-
matatamaan ng
Oo.
talsik na mantika.
Oh, and
or-
everything. Kasi before, ang hirap niyang linisan. And yung plan namin, dito sa front, ipipaint namin to dito, at saka dito din sa kabilang side. Para mas maganda siyang tignan.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan lang guys, kasi yung oras natin. And our second van life update is my favorite because finally, i-attach na namin yung
Shower awning!
yes.
Yeah, pakita
so right
mo.
now, pakita natin. Tapos na si Earl sa lahat ng attachments. So wineld nila, pinaint nila, shinape nila. And we are so excited to share with you the process how to attach the shower awning. So let's go! So after careful consideration, napag-desisyon na namin na dito namin i-attach yung shower awning kasi sa other side occupied na siya. Usually pala guys, yung mga shower awnings, ina-attach siya directly sa rack. But sa case kasi ng van namin, since sobrang taas niya, may hirapan kami i-open yung shower awning pag directly sa rack. So ang ginawa ni Earl, gumawa siya ng mga attachments na para mas mapa-lower down yung shower awning na madali lang namin siyang abutin. So right now, since tapos na tayo sa attachments, we will show you yung process sa pag-attach. Hopefully quick lang. So, sige na. So, nabili pala namin tong shower awning namin from the Off-Grid 4x4 Adventure na shop. Shout out to Sir Alex. So, if you want to purchase your own shower awning or you'd like to check other outdoor gears, feel free to check their page below.
Since ayaw na namin magbuta sa van, ito na lang yung ginamit namin. So, magnetic siya. Para pwede tayong mag-screw dito. Since nga Unistrat yung ginamit natin, pwede tayong mag-attach ng spring nuts. Spring nuts, anak. This is called spring nuts.
Yeah, I know,
So, like that.
I forgot what's the name and good.
Yeah.
Forgot
So, ganito natin i-attach yung ano.
yeah. So let's see what will happen.
Yeah. Ganyan siya.
Spring nuts.
Yeah. Yan, done. So, ganito pala yung ginamit naming attachment para in case gusto namin ilipat kahit saang part, pwede namin siyang malipat. Ito yung magnet kanina, so hindi na tayo nagbutas, tsaka meron na siyang lock. So, solid na solid siya, hindi siya namumove.
Ayaw na kasi namin mabutasan yung van.
Solid
so,
kasi yung bolt sa taas, so hindi na siya mag-move kahit anuhin mo.
kahit pag-pull up ka. Since tapos na nating i-install, we are so excited to set it up para matry naman natin later. So let's go, Papa! Ayan, pwede kang mag-set up ng awning kung nasa location ka na malakas yung wind, yung hangin. Excuse me, space! Oh no. So finally, we now have a
Shower awning!
We are so happy, guys, and we are so excited na matry namin later. For now, mag-explore muna kami dito sa area habang hindi pa kami naliligo.
Yeah.
Go! Let's go!
Could I believe in what my eyes cannot see? Or has the antidote to brokenness evaded me? Could I believe in what my ears have not heard? Or will the suffering that surrounds me have the final word?
Who's excited to take a bath in the shower awning? Summit and
Silang naglaro sa labas
space!
and it's currently 6:30. So para ready na for bedtime, naliligo na kami lahat.
Shower awning!
Let's go, let's go! It's time to bed.
What?
Can you show it to them? Yay!
Lamig kayo magtulog, Ani!
Si Space pa ba kinagpadaplit siya tugnaw?
You're called Space?
Are you cold? Ay, do not waste the water, babe. So
Look at
right
here,
now,
anak. Look at
we
here.
are using yung nature hike na, ang tawag dito, portable?
Bucket.
Portable ba to?
Portable bucket.
Portable bucket. So, para meron kaming water dito. Kasi for now, wala pa kaming wala pa kaming water.
But soon, pag nakatouch tayo ng electric pump, yeah, pwede na tayong lagay ng water.
Drop it like in a dirty water. The water will get dirty. Ayun.
Space! Watch Papa!
Where's
Ace!
Papa?
Watch Papa! Ace! Watch Papa! Papa!
Nagalit siya kasi gusto niya lagyan ng stones yung bucket. Okay, wait there for your turn.
Water's